double car carport with a storage room. This is 348 Charles Street in Midland. Master bedroom at the front of the home here. Got ducted evaporative air conditioning throughout. Little walk-in robe. Ensuite bathroom with a shower, glass wall, and a large mirror, and a toilet. The whole house has freshly been repainted, and there's also new carpets in all of the bedrooms. Bedrooms have got large built-in robes. Family bathroom, separate bath and a shower. And a very big mirror. Third bedroom. Security screens, ducted evap, large built-in robe, and new carpets and paint. There's a little separate toilet here with a small vanity, pantry. And here we are with the main living space. You've got a kitchen, gas cooking, a large window for lots of natural light, double sink. The laundry connects off here through to the outside of the property. There's a good space here. Gas bayonet as well. Full side access over here. A very good little entertaining area. Through to where the pedestrian gate and the laundry access is. Lovely little garden. That is 348 Charles Street, Midland.